Hello, my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at TomPit. In today's video, I'm going to talk about printing labels. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is a label, how to print labels in the TomPit system, and the importance of having an option to print labels directly from the system. Labels play a crucial role in the efficient operation of logistics. They're essential tools for organizing, tracking, and managing inventory. Each item and location can be clearly marked, reducing the time needed to find and manage items. By labeling storage areas, bins, and shelves, warehouses can maintain a secure storage system, making it easier to locate and retrieve items quickly. Labels enable the tracking of items throughout the entire life cycle, from receipt to storage, throughout production, and finally to shipment. This ensures complete visibility of inventory movement. They provide a digital trail that can be audited to ensure compliance with regulations and internal quality standards. In the TomPit system, labels can be printed for various purposes, including serial numbers, material numbers, AN codes, warehouse locations, and specific serial numbers for receiving documents. The ability to print labels directly from documents you are creating or viewing also simplifies the labeling process. For example, imagine working in a company that sells furniture. You receive a large shipment of oak wood planks for making dining tables. To ensure efficient handling and traceability, you print labels directly from the received document. Each pallet is assigned a unique serial number. You print these labels and attach them to each pallet, ensuring every one of them can be tracked individually. Labels indicating the storage locations of pallets are printed and placed on the respective areas. This keeps the warehouse organized and makes retrieval easier. Labels with material numbers are printed for batches of planks allocated for specific production runs. This helps in keeping track of which materials are being used for each batch of tables. When tables are ready for shipment, you print an AN code label for each package. Now let's see how this works in TomPit. You can print labels on various pages of the logistics domain. Printing labels option is always located in the hamburger menu at the top right corner of the page. By selecting an available printer and confirming the printing prompt, a printing job created successfully message will occur at the bottom of the screen. Now first, let's take a look where you can print labels for warehouses and locations. On the stock view by location page, you can select the hamburger menu and options for printing a location code label using different printers will occur. By choosing the filters on the left, you can change the locations for which you want to print the labels. By simply selecting the printer and adjusting the settings to your liking, choose the Print button to start off the printing process. Furthermore, inside Locations page within Management in Logistics, you have the option to print warehouse location labels, choosing the warehouse on the left side of the screen. By selecting a specific location from the list, you can print labels for said location or even sub-location. Moving to the stock view by serial number page, selecting the hamburger menu, you have the option to print material serial number label. This allows you to quickly label the material in order for it not to get lost or misplaced. Now let's say you want to print a label for materials AN code or simply material code. You can find these options on the stock view by material page. By selecting the report drop-down menu, choose a label you want to print. Next, select the printer available and the language if needed. And lastly, the quantity. Confirm by selecting the Print button. And in case of wanting to print a received serial number label, you can do so in the received document. The option to print a label is available on received documents in draft states, as well as the committed ones. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on printing labels. Let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You know now what a label is, you know how to print labels in the TomPit system, and you know the importance of having an option to print labels directly in the system. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.